Hello guys! In today's video, I will be showing you guys one of the hidden gem spots in Tokyo. The spot is called Shinjuku Gyoen Park. Right now we are at Shinjuku Station. There are 3 gates through which you can enter the park of Tokyo's Shinjuku Gyoen Park. The first one is the main entrance, which is located near the Shinjuku Station and the city central section. If you enter from this gate, the English landscape garden's massive lawns will open up immediately. The second gate is the Akedo Gate, which is a short walk away from the Shinjuku Gyoen Station. The third gate is the Shinjuku Gate, which is the southern entrance to Shinjuku Gyoen Gardens. It is located near the JR Shinjuku Station. The entrance fee costs 500 yen and is cash only. You always let me know. You never let it show. One of Tokyo's most popular parks is the Shinjuku Gyoen Garden. It is a great place to watch the cherry blossoms. For 500 yen, you can get a ticket to this park, which features over 3.5 kilometers of gardens that are designed in various styles. You can spend a day exploring these gardens, which are mostly made up of Japanese, English, and French landscapes. The beautiful gardens of the Shinjuku Gyoen Garden are known to be incredibly welcoming all year long. Whether it's during the cherry blossom season, or the autumn leaves turning gold and red, this area is a must-visit for anyone who enjoys watching the flowers bloom. Even if you're in Tokyo during the rainy season, don't hesitate to visit this park. The garden served as the inspiration for Makoto Shinkei's highly acclaimed film The Garden of Words. When you come to Shinjuku Park, be sure to stop by the Japanese Garden. This is a spacious area that is very Japanese in style. Not only Japanese but also many foreign tourists visit here, taking lots of photos and very much enjoying the garden. This Japanese garden perfectly conveys the image and culture of Japan. It was designed to go along with the flow of the pond. There are many carp swimming in the pond of the Japanese garden, and sometimes you can even see turtles sitting on rocks. In 2020, Starbucks Japan became the first private enterprise to open a store in the National Park of Tokyo. Besides the store in Shinjuku, Starbucks also has other locations in various areas in Japan. One of these is the Reserve Roastery in Nakameguro, and a Machiyo-style store is also located in Kyoto. A previously existing rest area was transformed into this modern Starbucks branch, which interacts harmoniously with the natural surroundings through floor-to-ceiling windows affording picture-perfect views of the opposite lake and flora. The coffee shop's wooden interior is created from recycled materials and domestic woods, adhering to a sustainable approach. Starbucks opened a location overlooking the Nakanoe Pond between the French formal garden and the English landscape garden. Although the enormous Shinjuku Gyoen is bordered by the rush and bustle of Shinjuku's concrete jungle, here you can just chill with a coffee in hand, look out over the plentiful greenery, and forget you're in the city center. Since Japan was the first country to open an international store outside of North America in 1996, Starbucks Coffee has welcomed guests from a variety of nationalities and generations while providing the greatest coffee experience. If you're looking for a place to unwind while visiting Shinjuku, one of Tokyo's busiest neighborhoods, this new Starbucks location might be just what you're looking for. If the weather is nice, I highly recommend having a seat on the ground floor open-air patio and admiring the scenery while enjoying a cup of piping hot coffee, because seating inside could be packed if you visit during a busy time of day. Shinjuku Gyoen Park is open from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. from March 15th to June 30th and August 21st to September 30th. Gates close at 6 p.m. and is open from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. from October 1st to March 14th. Gates close at 4:30 p.m. During the summer, from July 1st to August 20th, the garden is open from 9 a.m. until 6:30 p.m. Gates close at 7 p.m. The park is closed on Mondays and during the holidays, December 29th to January 3rd. It is also open on Mondays during cherry blossom season, March 25th to April 24th, and the Chrysanthemum Festival, November 1st to 15th. So make sure to go during the day since the park closes. So does Starbucks. We are currently walking to the main gate, commonly known as the Shinjuku Gate. Shinjuku Station has many lines, so if you're using the train, I recommend using the main gate because it's just 10 minutes away from the Shinjuku Station, and Shinjuku has many additional tourist spots. Interesting facts. With almost 3 million people each day, Shinjuku Station is the world's busiest train station. The station itself has 13 rail lines and connects central Tokyo to the outlying suburbs. There are also restaurants and cafes that provide seasonal views as well as special lunch and dessert menus. Shinjuku Gyoen original items, souvenirs, soft ice cream, and refreshments are available in the Nejishi Forest Park Rest House shop. Matcha tea is available at the Japanese Gardens Tea Room, and there is an information center and gift store outside the front gate. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates. It means a lot. Ciao. See you next time.